Now let's see about how to create a file or open a existing file. So fopen is the function used to create or open a file. It takes two parameters, the first one being the file name with its extension. You can give without extension also. Later when you have to open, you have to give the program in which it has to open, like that. That's all. The file type you have to open. The second parameter is the mode in which it has to open. So file name could be any file name that you want to give. It could be a report.txt or whatever, based on the purpose you are creating this file. So this is one such example for this parameter. Coming to mode could be a read mode, write mode, or append mode. So these are the basic modes. There are many other modes as well, but right now in this video we are going to discuss about these three modes. So R is for reading a file. So in this mode, when you open a file, it should be an existing file. That is, this file open, you have to pass a file which is already been existing, such that you open that file and you just read that file. That is, the user is not allowed to manipulate anything or update in that particular file when you open a file in read mode. And this should be on an existing file. You have to apply this mode, okay? Existing file. Now coming to write mode is used for writing, obviously, writing to a file. This can be on an existing file or it could be on a non-existing file. What is the difference? We'll see. When you open a file in write mode which is non-existing, then it creates a new file. Okay, on non-existing, it creates a new file. But whereas if you open an existing file in write mode, it flushes the previous data, flushes the previous contents of that file. That is, it just deletes the data that was stored in that particular file previously. Okay. Now coming to append mode. Here appending is also nothing but writing to a file itself, but it also can be applied on an existing file and on a non-existing file. If it is a non-existing file, again it's the same case, it creates a new file. If it is an existing, its previous contents are retained. Okay, previous contents are retained, and it allows the user to enter the data into it after that previous contents. That means it appends the new data to the previous contents. So I just repeat this. There are three basic modes for a file: read, write, and append. Read can be applied on existing file, which can be used to read the contents of the file. W is used for writing to a file, and it can be applied on both existing and non-existing file. If it is an existing file, it just flushes its previous contents or deletes the previous contents and allows the user to enter the data. If it is on a non-existing file, then it creates a new file and allows the user to enter the data or write the data. Coming to A, which is an append mode, that allows the user to append the data with the previous contents of that file when it is applied on existing file. If it is applied on a non-existing file, it simply creates a new file and allows the user to enter. So append mode is feasible when you are going to store everyday report. Say suppose at the month end you want to check the complete month's report, then it is feasible for you to open a file in append mode such that it appends the data of each day one by one, and you are going to update the same file every day. But whereas if you try to apply this write mode, what happens, the previous data's report would be erased. So based on the problem, you will have to fix this modes. Okay, so we have seen now opening a file with fopen, creating a file. If it is a non-existing, it will create a new file. Reading is done using the write mode, and reading is done using the read mode, which is R, and writing is done using the write mode, which is W. And now we'll see closing a file. Once a file is opened for any purpose, either reading, writing, or appending it, once that operation is complete, it has to be closed. So for that we have fclose function used to close the file. So what happens, using this file pointer, you will have to assign this fopen to fp. As we know, the nature of the pointer is to hold the address. So when this file is opened or created, the address of that particular file is stored in this file pointer, such that the file pointer gets access to that particular location. So through that location, it starts either reading or writing or appending. So any operations you perform on files, it is only possible through the file pointers. Okay, even if you create any variable or anything, also through file pointer only you are going to write it to the file or read from the file. And here again, with file pointer passing it to fclose function, you close the file. When fclose function is executed, the fp will mark the end of file is marked at the end of that file. That is the last content. After that last character, end of file marker is being marked in that particular file when fclose is executed.